how to log in to WhiteBox Learning. I'm going to go to Google and type in WhiteBox Learning, and I can click on that, and I can click on Login up in the top right corner. And we're doing the dragster or CO2 car. Sometimes it's called dragster. And so I'll click on that, and when I click on that, it asks for a student ID and a group ID, and I'll be providing those to you. I'm going to use one that I played with. And once you log in, it gives you this page here, and you can just hit start. And now we are in WhiteBox Learning.